Hey guys, it's Boomer. And today we're going to be exploring this creek. Let's get into it. Chicken and snake are also coming. We've actually explored this creek before, but I think we're going to go further. So yeah. Okay, so we're exploring, so we don't know where it leads to, right? And we don't know. So we don't know if it's property, four-wheeler, and there's barbed wire all over the place. I didn't film any, but I'll show you guys. Here, I'll show you. But I don't know if you can see that little line.
Like on wetland.
Yeah. So we're gonna try to get out of here as quickly as possible,
But quietly.
Okay guys, so Agua said that she saw more barbed wire at the first waterfall that we saw, so we're about to go back.
Ow! I just stepped on something and it like flung back at me.
Alright guys, we found more barbed wire right by our fort, but we cannot show you our fort because we filmed the whole thing.
No, you gotta watch that video first.
And if you guys want to see the fort, make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications. It's coming out February 10th. The first video is going to come out on February 10th. So make sure you have your post notifications on. Yeah. Alright, stay happy, stay healthy, stay outdoors. Bye.